cube of decimal fractions. The first part, cube of positive decimal fractions. Cube of positive decimal fractions. Decimal fractions. Examples. Calculate the cube of 0.2. Solution. Solution. 0.2 raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as finding the cube of 0.2. Now, we can express this as what? 0.2 times 0.2 times 0.2. Since we have raised to the power of 3, then you have to express this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now, we can write these as what? This 0.2 as a proper fraction. 0.2 as a proper fraction is same thing as what? We have this to be 2 over what? 10. Then times 2 over 10. Then times 2 over 10. Now, what do we have from here? 2 times 2. What do we have? That is 4. 4 times 2, 8. That's for the numerator. We have 8 over what? Now, 10 times 10. What do we have? That is 100. Then times 10, what do we have? 1,000. Now, we have 8 over 1,000. This is not our final answer. We need to convert this 8 over 1,000 to a decimal fraction of this form. So, in that case, what are we going to have? We do what we call mapping, because we are dealing with a proper fraction. So, you map from the front, including numbers, apart from the zeros that we have here. So when you map this, what are we having here? Mapping. We can only map 8 to 1. Now, what are the numbers? We have how many zeros? Let me see how many zeros do we have left at the denominator. How many zeros are we having? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 zeros left at the denominator. So the 3 zeros left that we have at the denominator will serve as the zeros before the first significant numbers in our decimal fraction. So what do we have? 0.00, you can see 1, 2, 3. Then what number are we having at the numerator? We have 8. So it means that 0.2 raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as 0.008. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.